In a major mishap, 5 people have been killed as an overbridge at a metro construction site collapsed in New Delhi. What's more, DMRC admits it knew of a fault in the structure. At least 5 people have been killed and 15 injured after the slab of an under-construction metro overbridge collapsed in an area adjoining Greater Kailash in South Delhi this morning. Rescue operations are on, but 2 people trapped in the debris have now been confirmed dead. The collapse of the bridge also caused a water pipe underneath to burst, which led to the entire area around LSR College being waterlogged. Traffic has also been affected at Kailash Colony, LSR College and Amar Colony. The route will be open to traffic only at 6 a.m. starting Monday morning. The Delhi Metro, remember, has been speeding up construction work under tremendous pressure from the government to complete the project before the 2010 Commonwealth Games. And Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit said the constructor was liable for the bridge's collapse, adding that an inquiry would take place and the guilty would be brought to book.
You see, there is the Delhi Metro Corporation is an organization which is independently doing all the work. It chooses its contractors, it has its own system, and its track record has been really very good. But this is very unfortunate what has happened and what happened last year also. These are accidents which nobody would like to happen but have happened. And I'm sure that the Metro Corporation will take adequate steps and treat this as a warning that many things cannot be taken for granted. So I hope this will be a lesson for all of us to learn, because we've lost precious lives, some have been injured, and that should not be happening.
3 workers are dead. 2 more workers are trapped. They are still trapped in the structure. Our person has reached them. It is confirmed that these trapped workers are also dead. So a total of 5 people have died in the incident.
15 मजदूर हमारे यहाँ आए हैं अभी तक. उनमें से 3 ब्रॉड डेड थे. उनके नाम अभी नहीं मालूम है हमको. बाकी 12 में से 2 बहुत सीरियस हैं, 1 थोड़ा कम सीरियस है. तो 3 ये हो गए और 9 में से फिर 2 लोग लगभग घर जा सकते हैं, लेकिन उनको भी हम रख रहे हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए और.
And for more, let me go across live now to our correspondent Bhavtosh Singh in New Delhi. Bhavtosh, who is finally going to be held accountable for this? Is it the DMRC or the contractor for this particular project, Gammon India?
Well, Niharika, as of now, the Delhi police have registered a case under Section 304A of Indian Penal Code. It pertains to death due to negligence. Those who have been booked include the contractor, supervisor and the construction company Gammon India Limited. The Delhi police have also started recording the statement of all the workers who were trapped at the construction site. They have said that if they find evidence to the effect that there was fault in pillar 67 and despite that construction went ahead, they would be booking all the accused in this case under serious offence of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, which is a bailable offence. The task before the Delhi police first is to carry out the rescue operation and only then carry out the investigation. But looking into the seriousness of the case, the Delhi police as of now has already recorded statement of at least 5 workers. We have also come to know from our sources that the entire area has already been videographed by the Delhi police, particularly the pillar P67, which had developed cracks around 3 months back and where construction was stopped for fortnight. Clearly, the Delhi police is taking the case very seriously. That's the reason why a case has already been registered. The case has been registered as of now against the contractor, supervisor and the construction company Gammon India Limited. Why the case has not been registered against DMRC? Well, DMRC gives contract to various construction company after taking tenders from them. If they find fault with DMRC official, if they find evidence to that effect, then officers have said that even they would be booked in this case. As of now, a case has been registered at Amar Colony Police Station with the statement of all the workers who were injured or trapped inside the prefabricated site and who were trapped in those prefabricated sites are being recorded both at AIIMS Trauma Center as well as at Amar Colony Police Station.
All right, so some speedy developments there taking place. Bhavtosh, stay on with us. I'll come back to you in just a bit. But let's tell our viewers that Times Now has learned that there were some severe flaws which led to this accident. Firstly, one of the pillars supporting the flyover had developed a crack 3 months back. There were in fact demands that the construction should be halted, but authorities continued work to finish the construction as soon as possible because of the pressure to complete all metro work by June 2010 for the upcoming Commonwealth Games. Also, supervisors for the various projects have been reduced as work on several projects is being carried out simultaneously. And in fact, speaking to the media in New Delhi, DMRC PRO Mr. Anuj Dayal also said they had previous knowledge of displacement in the pillar cap of pillar P67, which collapsed, bringing down with it an entire concrete slab.
The incident had taken place between pier number 66 and 67. The pier cap, prima facie it appears that there was a defect in the pier cap which has caused the displacement which has taken place.
यहाँ 4-5 में हम निकले हैं, यहाँ ठीक ठाक था। यहाँ मेट्रो क्रेन से ना ऊपर चढ़ा रहे थे, तो कम से कम 20 बंदे ऊपर होंगे, 5-6 बंदे नीचे से ट्रक के ऊपर। अभी हमने देखा है कि 2 लोग बीच में हैं, एक की टांग नजर आ रही है, एक बाजू नजर आ रही है।
अब ये जब तक ये हटेगा नहीं, ऊपर से वो क्रेन द्वारा हटा रहे हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं अंदर क्या है, कितने लोग हैं।
मेट्रो लाइन 5 आदमी ऊपर गाटर के ऊपर था, लंच कर रहा था, तो थोड़ा करने में लूज किया होगा तो वो सारा गिर गया नीचे। अभी 3-4 आदमी वहाँ मर गया, वो लटका हुआ है, बाकी सारे इसमें बाकी है। अभी भी है वहाँ पे? हाँ, अभी भी वहाँ पे हैं। और यहाँ पे 3 आदमी मर गया है। वहाँ पे एक तो नीचे दबा हुआ थोड़ी टांग दिख रही है, बस। बाकी ऊपर 2 आदमी गाटर के ऊपर है, उसका सिर्फ पेट दिख रहा है और चेहरा दिख रहा है, बस वो फट गया सारा।
Well, let me go back across to Bhavtosh at this point. Bhavtosh, the fact that the contractor as also DMRC were both aware of the fault in the structure makes this incident more shocking, as it could wholly have been avoided.
Yes, Niharika, this is the first major lapse on the part of DMRC in its 13-year history. DMRC always prided itself for carrying out a very safe construction. In fact, between 1995 and 2008, there was not even a single accident which was reported from any of the construction site. But out here in South Delhi, a fault was noticed. In fact, it was not a fault but a major crack that developed on in pillar 67. The engineers on site and the construction worker in fact complained to DMRC as well as to the contractors. The construction work was stopped for a fortnight, but it was given a go-ahead because the work has to be completed before deadline. That's what Delhi DMRC always prided itself for. In fact, this particular stretch was to be completed by the end of the year. And because of that, construction was given a go-ahead, and finally this tragedy happened. That was the reason why Delhi police have immediately registered a case. They have already videographed the entire area. They say that if they find fault with the DMRC, then they would also be booked. As of now, the case is registered against the contractor, the supervisor, and also the construction company, Gammon India Limited, all those officials who are involved in constructing this particular site of the metro rail.